Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. So FET is following currently here the projection to the downside. This is what we talked about in the last video. And over the last few days, I've been publishing the updates on Discord. I think I haven't made a video for a few days. Don't think so. But anyway, we had a little break at least from Fetch videos, I think. But we talked about this resistance area here, which was supposed to keep the price down. That's happening at the moment. And I think what we're looking for here is this B-wave correction, sort of a flat structure that's currently unfolding. And the idea is we had an A-wave to the upside. This here would be the B-wave, which in my best interpretation is an A-B-C structure as well. And then from here we can watch for a reaction at least, and maybe the price can attempt a rally from there. Yeah. To the upside. Remember that FET failed to create a proper impulse to the upside here. Topped in a three-wave structure. Could have been, and could still be technically, but it's, nah, not really. It could be, the idea was it could be a 1-2-1-2 setup, but broke support. So that meant we had to adjust and have to look for a deeper pullback into this target area between $1.17 and 92 cents. So that is what I'm watching at the moment. If we zoom out a little bit further, the overall context is obviously not great on this chart. We have a possible wave 4 low in place here in August, but it's been rallying only in corrective structures. So the most bullish interpretation I had was an A wave, a B wave, and then a C wave directly. So where I had the B wave placed before, yeah, I mean, this low is still holding, but the price failed to rally impulsively from there. So that means we have to consider that the B wave never finished. It just means a bit of a delay, but it also means it's again questionable because of problems. You know, we talked about this chart before. We talked about the problems it has. We talked about the problems that this swing high from March only reached the 1.236 extension, which just is too weak to be, let's say, clearly bullish. Yeah? And if we say, okay, look, this B wave is now unfolding, then really the price should normally reach this area. Based on Fibonacci extensions, we know that the A wave and the C wave have a certain ratio they respect typically. And the C wave would typically reach the area here between $1.17 and 92 cents. Yeah, so the 161.8 extension is typically the maximum. It's not really the maximum, but it's, let's say, typically the maximum. There isn't really a maximum for a C wave. In theory, so in Elliott wave books and what you'll find in the internet and so on, they say that the 261.8 extension is typically sort of the maximum. Yeah, I mean, it certainly shouldn't really, you know, it shouldn't really go below that low from the 5th of August. Well, if it does, it's not really a B wave anymore. It's already the larger fourth, but anyway, I think, you know, the trend is down. You know, that we'll keep it simple. The trend is down, and the trend is down as long as we're holding below that last swing high that formed here early October at 155. And it's about understanding where is support and then just watch for a reaction there. There's also going to be some structural support in this region here around $1. No surprise, it's psychological support. And then this red line around $1.25 could provide some support as well. This is where we had previous swing low, but overall I would prefer for the price to get at least to $1.17 due to the context, but maybe even lower. Yeah, that's the update about FETCH.AI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.